The 2013 Jeep Wrangler Sahara, powered by a 3.6-liter V6 engine with a 5-speed automatic transmission. This vehicle, with fewer than 25,000 miles on the odometer, gets up to 21 miles per gallon. This Jeep features hardtop, towing package, and 4-wheel drive. Safety features include traction control, stability control, and 4-wheel ABS. Comfort and convenience features include premium sound, heated power mirrors, and satellite radio. Give us a call to schedule your test drive today.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.
Just say, "Show me the Carfax" at Jaguar Land Rover Anaheim Hills, a Carfax Advantage dealer.